Well, let's get this started. How we doing, everyone? How we doing? Morning, morning. All right, let's get the day started. In 1 second. Perfect. Stream's all set up. So this is trade that we actually closed out at London Open. But bias is right. We're looking for these FOMC lows going into this AM. So we're just gonna wait for that to play out. What's up, Tao? Yo, yo, yo. Hey, man. Just waiting for these lows to get ran. But I did post this in the Discord. Let me look. Posted this at 150. Entering this and going to sleep. That was around like here. And then I think we were maybe in 20, 30 points of drawdown, but then I ended up closing it for like 70 points. So I took the trade um at 2R, and then I went back to bed. But look, if you guys held all the way until the lows, you would have been paid, and original stop loss never got hit. What's the bias? I want to see lower. Honestly, I want us to rebalance all these gaps. So I'm gonna be looking to short any pullbacks we get. Any lower time frame inversion. Let's say price. Wait, let's say we get a sharp rejection up. Any lower time frame inversion, I'm gonna take it lower. Longs are just a little bit uncomfortable, especially this high up. Mm-mm-mm. And I've been working on a Notion journal for you guys that I want to give out. So let me know if you guys are interested in a potential journal that I'm giving out. Mistakes. Market just keeps dumping. Again, no entry. Got a long limit 824.5. We need a catalyst for that new week opening gap. This is kind of crazy how price is moving. This was so clean. Like the bias was so clear after this dump lower. Like a lot of people were looking for longs, but what I've been trying to preach is you need to eliminate one side, one trade, and only look for one thing. So I was only looking for shorts the whole overnight. So I knew that we were gonna rebalance and get FOMC lows and lower. Just waiting. Gold still hasn't done anything. You saying longs? I don't know about longs yet. I would feel more comfortable shorting shorting a pop back up after 10 a.m. Okay, I still think we make another drive. I just hope it's not a barcode type of day. If it's a barcode type of day, we might be cooked. I just don't want it to consolidate. Shorted from 295, so I'm done already. You held during the overnight, or you got a really good entry. You got an entry at like 2 in the morning. Hmm. And Q looks very weak. Most likely we just Ponzi up. Gonna watch these lower time frame gaps for some sort of play. Mm, 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 mm. I don't want us to just grind back up. That would be not ideal for us. Shorts look crazy. I trust my setup and long no 50. Nice 1 hour rejection block for value gap. Nice 25 points reaction and down for the day. Nice, bro. I'm looking for or an entry to take us lower. Mm-mm. 950. Does anyone know how to check if I can play music? Play music for the stream? Because I believe I can get a strike for that, depending on the song. How do you check? How do you know? Mm-mm-mm. I still think this is the start of the move lower. If we come all the way back up, like I'm gonna retire NQ for the next few days, if not week. Like if this comes back to 200s, this is not gonna be fun. We need Nasdaq to pull back lower. Like ideally, I want like a 2 or 3% from the highs. This is 1.74%. Have a good day, Aiden. I want to see a new week opening gap get filled as well, but we don't keep trading all time high. Yeah. So Bart heading off. Didn't we sweep a major low, tapping a daily fair value gap? I mean, buys weren't that bad. Yeah, but I'm looking at the higher time frame. So I was in shorts. I was in shorts here, and I was looking for lower. We swept the FOMC low. We did tap into that daily gap. But my narrative is like, I want price to. I don't want to see us return back to here. I want to keep looking for entries lower. So it's 930 high. Short-term longs, yeah, that would have played out, obviously. After this candle, it could have entered on the tap back in. I saw that, but I'm still looking for like to satisfy my bias. Also took this low. So did we take it? Yeah, we did. Might actually take some shorts here. If we inverse this. It's hard to be bearish here after such a strong reversal. So I don't really want to fade the order flow. But if we get signs of weakness and rejection, I'll be slapping that. Lower day is in. Gold just pumping. ES too. ES like 30 points off the lows, which is kind of crazy. Mm-mm. This is good. This is good price action. So also I'm playing a little bit defensive because I already caught like 90 points or 70 points on shorts during the overnight. I might try a shorts here. Just so strong. ES went down like 7 points and then one candle, it gets popped back up. All right, try this. have a 20-point stop. I want to see ES come down as well. It's a buy stop. Put it at the high. And my targets are going to be, let's see, we have this whole move. I want to see us tap back into this CE of the 5 minutes. Actually not closed yet. Let's go 3 minute. Looking for this. Just logical levels. But we gotta start moving now. Gold is flying. Yeah, gold's a straight Ponzi scheme. Look at it. We're probably gonna get stopped out here. If this holds, we can get a nice like 50 point move out of here. If we're in profit, I might add to the position. Just want to see some displacement lower, some reversal confirmation. Like we go down like 15 points, but I want to see us hold, not just wick. Yeah, this is freaking strong. Yeah, stop. Holy moly. So minus 20 points. Chipping away at our profit. See what we do here. $10 a.m. manipulation higher. we start trending lower, was there news on that candle? Mm, no, there was no news. Like I really want to take it for shorts. All right, I'm gonna enter 10 contracts. Stop loss. Stop loss at the highs. 30-second inverse. 10 a.m. manipulation. We're kind of fading the order flow right now, but I see a good narrative for us to take these shorts. Yeah, same targets. And I want to be aggressive with my trims and break even. Let me actually get my stop loss. So it's a buy stop right here. I'm gonna go break even once we take this low. Sorry if my chart is a little messy. Just get rid of all these extra lines. Minus $3 for me today. Not NQ fucked me. NQ's kind of hoeing everyone. If you didn't catch these longs, then you're just waiting. There we go. It's 30 points right there. I want to get a hit break even. Not hit break even. I want it to touch my break even point. Ah, hell no. Ah, hell no. I'm going break even. Man, don't touch us. Pro. Alright. That's second trade stopped in profit a little bit. Yeah, this shit is so strong, bro. For that, I'm just gonna enter long, see what happens. This is an experiment. 25-point stop. Let this shit ride. I'm still in this. If we close under the gap, I'm gonna stop out. If we hold, I'm gonna be in. See this close, still in. This is just so strong. These orders coming in. I don't know. I don't feel so comfortable fading it anymore. And stopped out probably soon. Yep, stop. Already three trades on the day. We tapped the 5 minute cap. Dude, I think just based on order flow, we just keep going up. Should I retry these? It's like I had my whole bias thinking we're gonna go short, and we get our level. We get like a 30-point move, good delivery, and then one Drake candle just reverses everything. So if I held my original short, I would be sitting pretty. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Holy pump, yeah, look at gold. Bro, I'm actually so tight. All right, if this 5 minute goes inversion, we're gonna look for these lows. Otherwise, just based off the order flow, they might send us higher. Yeah, I'm gonna get long here. Stop is gonna be below here. What is your risk management? I'm trying not to lose more than like 800 today on this account. My stop should have a wider stop, like 30 points. All right, if this doesn't hit, then I'm gonna be done for the day. A lot of it is just intuition. Like last night, intuition to take shorts. I could be wrong, so let's go sell 10 stop. If it plays out, plays out. If it doesn't, no worries. This is just an eval. I already took my funded trades. Probably gonna get stopped. Man, I'm just getting cooked on this account. Can't catch a break. Just based off how strong we were buying earlier, it would make sense for us to pump the rest of the day. This is just where we're tapping back in to send us higher. Just a simple continuation. It's not really rocket science to it. Go back to gold. Dude, gold is so hideous. Straight pump. And Q kind of stalling. If we get over 106, it's going to be good news. Yeah, this is the kind of delivery I'm anticipating out of this gap. Just straight up. I would be worried if we come back down into the 80s. It shouldn't come down here. You don't make it or break it on eval. I mean, look how price is moving. It's not that hard to catch like 60 points, 70 points in order to pass your eval. All right, this is not looking good. Up, here we go, up, here we go. Let's fly. Like, if we're trading in a 20-point range, maybe I'll size to double or triple this. Or maybe I won't trade the price at all. But when price is flying, it's like I don't need to size more than 10 minis or 10 micros, sorry. Let's fly. Just terrible executions this morning from me. You're short 112. That's probably gonna play out. I'm gonna get stopped here. Alright, I'm done for the day. I had one break even and two losers. It's a shame seeing my original trade play out. Would have been like 100 points almost. Just bad execution. Even though it's on an eval, it still matters. I'll stay on, do some commentary for a little bit, but I'm not gonna take any more trades. Well, I know some people that are long gold who paid. Mm-mm-mm. I'm gonna sign myself out before I do anything. Um, just gonna sign myself out. Down like 1100 on the day. Where's this? Mm-mm-mm-mm. Man, I'm tired. I stayed up all night for that overnight trade. Went to bed at like I don't even know. I went to bed at like 3 or 4. Gold is just a Ponzi up. Look at this Ponzi. Up, up, here we go, go. Up, up, here we go. If you're sitting in gold longs, you're looking good. Let's fly. Up, up, here we go, go. You take reversal? No, dude, I got cooked today. I traded some evals. I got cooked. No, I'm just watching. I'm a spectator. I am unfortunately a spectator now. Mm, 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 mm. Up, up, here we go, go. Let's fly. I'm probably gonna head off now. Let's fly. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Not the best execution from me this morning, but we'll be back tomorrow.